After BBMP's win last year for the Best Sustainable Megacity Award, the City Corporation again has been reported to be among 8 other municipal bodies to win a union government-initiated award for cleanliness. The Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike and 8 other municipal corporations in Karnataka have won various awards instituted by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs for keeping their respective cities clean. BBMP won the Fastest Moving Megacity Award, and the recognition was given based on the feedback received during Swachh Sarvekshan, a cleanliness survey. The results were formally announced at a ceremony that was attended by President Ram Nath Kovind on November 20th.
Again, get back to the Swachh Sarvekshan Awards. At the national level, Bruhat Bengaluru, Karnataka is the fastest mover megacity.
The award has drawn wide criticism from netizens as the award comes at a time when unseasonal rains have exposed the fault lines in planning by inefficient civic authorities, including the BBMP, which has continued to burden the common citizens of the city. In a post on Twitter, Kiran Mazumdar Shah, the chairperson of Biocoin Limited, said, "BBMP wins award for keeping Bengaluru clean. This is the biggest joke on us citizens. A municipality who has failed to keep our city clean for decades wins an award. Citizens need to hold them accountable with rallies."
शहर में जगह जगह सेग्रीगेशन ट्यूटोरियल सेंटर भी खोले गए हैं। नगर पालिका द्वारा गीले कचरे को मेथनाइजेशन से बिजली में बदला जा रहा है। बेंगलुरु में जगह जगह पब्लिक टॉयलेट्स बनाए गए हैं, जिनसे शहर को मिली है ODF++ की रेटिंग। बृहद बेंगलुरु के सफाई मित्रों और लोगों की स्वच्छता के प्रति ऊर्जा ने शहर को स्वच्छता की दौड़ में आगे बढ़ाया है।